What's going on, guys? Just want to do a quick little video on Subaru head gaskets. For years, myself included, pull the motor to do head gaskets on these things. I've recently started playing around, saw some videos on here, and it is actually possible without pulling the motor. So you don't need a cherry picker, can do it all by yourself. The trick is to take the bottom motor mount nuts, one on each side, take them off, take this bolt out, loosen this mount, and just kind of let it free float there, and put a jack and a wood block under the oil pan, lift it up in the air, and it allows you the room you need. Sometimes you got to give it a little one way or the other to make it a little easier on yourself, but all in all, it goes pretty smooth. I'll try to do a little time lapse here, putting this one back on. I got everything cleaned up, ready to roll, so there you go. So there it is, one person under 3 minutes in the car. When you're done, just slowly bring your jack down and boom. Now we're ready for torque, timing, top end. About another 2 hours, this car will be done. Still got a little more cleaning up top here to do. But one person, you can do it without pulling the motor. So really any DIY guy can do this. I'll probably do a breakdown on the timing at some point here. So there you go, and hope it helps someone out.